So I still remain Ikilima Idriss, citizen of Nigeria, resident of FCT, local government of Gagolada Area Council. I'm here to introduce the vital achievement of our Honorable Chairman of Local Government Council, a man with vision, a man with action, Honorable Abubakar Jibrin Gidi Gagolada Area Council. As leader of our local government, he has been instrumental in driving development, improving infrastructure, enhancing the quality of life for our community. Our local government has achieved significant mentor. So da yawa za ku ji ana kira Honorable Abubakar Jibrin Giri. Most of you ba ku san wane ne ake kira da Honorable Abubakar Jibrin Giri ba, amma zan so a ce ku biyo ni ku zo ku sha labari don ku ji irin capacity da ya baza mana. Achievements so far: construction of road, construction of bridge, distribution of solar light under the Gagolada local government, construction of motorized cycle to the whole world under the Gagolada local government, distribution of medicine to the healthcare under the Gagolada local government, distribution of buses to the needy, and also distribution of motorcycle to the needy, and also supporting the young association under the Gagolada local government.
Jawabin da ne muku a baya nake roƙonmu da mu fito domin mara mashi baya domin ya wakilce mu a House of Representatives Abuja South 2027 insha Allah.
For you more fans, more knowledge, more years ahead. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi.